Yeah, I got this old mattress from my daughter. It's an old memory foam mattress. Had memory foam on the top, and it had this foam on the bottom. And the memory foam was coming off. Anyway, she replaced the mattress, and she gave me the old one. And I'm going to cut it up, slice it, and try to put it inside my camper cushions. I've slept on these a few times, and they could be just a little stiffer. I don't know. We'll see. If I don't like it, I'll put the old one back in.
In general, it's bleaker that my outlook's become, but yet our love runs deeply, way into the sunset, a memory served. All these times I remember completely, a basis for beauty, your beauty and truth. It's my stasis completely. Fantastically blue, I remember your truth, your nakedness clean and holy. Your nakedness clean and holy. We shuffle and strive, we shuck and we jive. All our dying still feel so alive. The spirit is willing, the candle regrets the losses at both ends of love's sweet bloodlettings. A basis for beauty, your beauty and truth. It's my stasis completely. Fantastically blue, I remember your truth, your nakedness clean and holy. A basis for beauty, your beauty and truth. It's my stasis completely. Fantastically blue, I remember your truth, your nakedness clean and holy. Your nakedness
Where's the old saying?
holy.
Something about the tigers. Well, I wonder if that differs. Side come out a little bit.